This is George, the IT consultant. As part of our series on upgrading old hardware, here's a list of tools that you can use to optimize the software side of things on older computers. Number 1, CCleaner. CCleaner is a freemium Windows and Mac OS app for optimizing your computer. It includes tools to clean your system, manage your installed programs, organize your startup, and clean up your system registry. If you ask any tech out there, they will be cautious about cleaning the registry. Most so-called registry cleaners cause more problems than they actually fix and charge you a premium to undo the damages. I have used CCleaner for a number of years on many of my and my clients' computers without any issues. As a precaution, or with any major installation or change to your system, remember to set up a restore point.
So this is a view of CCleaner, the free version. This is how the window will be presented to you once you finish the installation. And on recent versions of CCleaner, you get out-of-the-box functionality called the health check, where you can do all the registry checks, the custom cleaning and all that, just from a click of a button. So once you click skip to start the health check, you can get all the functionality of the CCleaner. As you can see, the Pro versions allow more or less much more advanced cleaning of your system. So with the free version, you can see all the things that we are able to do. You can remove trackers that are left behind after you visit websites and just junk from the system. So that is what you can do from just one click of a button using the health check button. Instead of that, I like to do a custom clean because I'm a bit of an advanced user. I can remove certain aspects or certain junk from my computer with this advanced custom clean tab. If you'd like to remove passwords, saved session history and all that, you can do it via the custom clean button. But if you're just a new user, I would recommend just sticking to the health check. Next is the registry tab on the CCleaner free. So if we scan for issues, you will see that a number of issues arise. Mine should not yield too many results because I did a recent clean on the system. So these are just files that were left behind after either an update or an installation of software from your system. So you'll find quite a number of them. You can just review the selected items and then it will prompt you to make a backup because you're making changes to the registry. So provided you created a restore point, you can skip making the backup, but if you did not, I'd recommend you just clicking yes to save the backup at a convenient location. So click no, and then you can fix one issue at a time by reading, but considering the number of issues that will be presented to you on your system, I'd just recommend doing fix all selected issues. So next, there's the tools. We spoke about having a startup checkup. You can disable or enable software that starts automatically when you start Windows. You have a tab to manage your browser plugins, a disk analyzer. This one will show you how your partition and sectors look. A duplicate finder, but this one you'll not be able to use it because it is part of the Pro version of CCleaner. And then you have system restore. If you had created a restore point, it will appear here, and you point to notice that you will not be able to delete the latest system restore point. I think the reason why it allows you to manage your restore points is restore points take up a lot of storage space on your hard drive. So you also have a drive wiper. Fun fact to note, once you delete a file, it is not completely removed from your hard drive, and you can always recover it using advanced file recovery tools. So what essentially the drive wiper does is to enable permanent deletion of files that have been removed from your drives. So you can have the security level from a simple security level and to a very complex security level. What this means is that the data will be overwritten up to 35 times. So you can also get advanced options that I will not talk about in this video, but if you'd like to see me speak about all these advanced options, please leave a comment on the comment section below.
Malwarebytes free. As the name suggests, Malwarebytes helps you to remove malware and viruses from your system. It even picks up those that may have been missed by your antivirus. That said, it works in conjunction with your antivirus in order to get rid of malware. The premium version has evolved into a full antivirus. On installation, you can try the premium version for 14 days.
So guys, once you install Malwarebytes free, this is what you're presented with. You have a detection history tab, you have the scanner, and then you have these features that you can activate once you upgrade to premium, or if you're running the premium trial version that I said earlier is 14 days after installation. So you also have the option to purchase a license up here. But with the free scan, what you get once you do that, it will check your system. The scan might take a really long time, but it will check for updates first, and then you will scan your memory, your startup items, and you will scan your registry, the registry that we just cleaned up on the CC cleaner, and then it will run through your file system and check for malware and other types of potentially unwanted softwares. So you can also schedule scans on the premium version, and then you also have a view of 5 detections in the past scan that I did, and my system is quite healthy all the same. I suspect that these detections were as a result of a download, probably from the internet, or sharing a USB drive, which is something you should be really careful about. So Malwarebytes is not a very difficult software to use. So once the scan is done, it will give you an option of where you want to save your quarantined files or the infected files, and then it will require a restart in order to complete the removal of the potentially unwanted software.
That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave your questions or comments on the comment section below. Like if you liked it, and turn on the notifications to be notified of future videos. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel for more of this content. Thanks.